So hello students, welcome to all of you in this video lectures. Here I am going to continue the chapter 7. The name of the chapter is Permutation and Combination. The students, in the last video lectures I have explained about permutation, and in this video lectures I am going to explain the concept of combination. So what is the meaning of the combination? Combination is nothing but the selection. Okay, suppose x, y, z are three players, and out of these three players we have to select two players. So in how many possible ways that we can select two players from the three players, and these are the selections in the circle. You can see that first selection should be xy, second selection yz, and third selection zx. So these are the possible three ways we can select, and the selections, this type of selection is called the combination of three things taken. Here it is two at a time, so 3C2, okay, and which is nothing but 3. So students, there is a formula for finding the combination of n things taken r at a time, which is here in the listed. You can see that NCR equal to factorial n by factorial r into factorial n minus r. Okay, NCR equal to factorial n by factorial r into factorial n minus r, and the value of NC0 will be 1 and NCN also equal to 1. Now there is a very important relation. NCR will be same as NCN minus R, which you can prove using the formula for NCR. So students, for example, 5C2 will be same as 5C5 minus 2, which is 5C3. So this is one example of this result, NCR equal to NCN minus R, and the relation between permutation and combinations is here. It is NPR equal to NCR into factorial R. NPR equal to NCR into factorial R, where 0 less than r less than or equal to n. So this is the relation between permutation and combinations of n things taken r at a time. Okay students, another formula is there. If NCA equal to NCB, then we can write A equal to B, or we can write A equal to n minus B, or n equal to A plus B. So students, these are some formulas that we are going to use while solving the problems. So I am going to start few applications of combinations. The first question is, if NC8 equal to NC2, find NC2. So from the given question, NC8 equal to NC2. The students, NC2 we can write NCN minus 2, right? NC2 we can write NCN minus 2. So 8 equal to n minus 2, where we have another result, NCA equal to NCB, then either A equal to B or n equal to A plus B. The students, from the given question, NC8 equal to NC2, so you can write n equal to 8 plus 2. So here n equal to 10. Now after getting the value of n, which is 10, we can easily find out NC2, which is 10C2, using the combination formula, NCR formula. So it is factorial 10 by factorial 2 into factorial 10 minus 2, which is factorial 10 by factorial 2 into factorial 8. And factorial 10 we can write 10 into 9 into factorial 8 divided by 2 into factorial 8, and after cancellations the answer will be 45. The student, next question is we have to calculate the value of n, where it is given that 2nc3 is to nc3 equal to 11 is to 1. The students, 2nc3 by nc3. The first we can use the formula of NCR and we can expand both numerator and denominator. 2nc3 you can write factorial n divided by factorial r into factorial n minus r. So 2n factorial divided by 3 factorial into twice n minus 3 factorial into nc3 factorial we can write factorial 3. Actually it is factorial n by factorial 3 into factorial n minus r, and since it is division so we can take it reciprocal. So it will be like this, equal to 11 by 1 means 11. Now students, factorial twice n we can expand like this, twice n into twice n minus 1, twice n minus 2 into twice n minus 3 factorial. We'll keep it up to twice n minus 3 factorial so that we can cancel it with the denominator. So in numerator factorial 3 and their factorial 3 get cancelled, and here factorial n minus 3 we can expand factorial n minus 3 factorial in numerator, and in denominator n factorial we can expand n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 factorial equal to 11. Now you can see that here many terms are get cancelled. Factorial twice n minus 3 get cancelled, and factorial n minus 3 get cancelled, and here n get cancelled, n minus 1 get cancelled. The remaining terms will be 2 into twice n minus 1, twice n minus 2 divided by n minus 1 into n minus 2 equal to 0. Again further cancellation, 2 is common in twice n minus 2, so n minus 1 term get cancelled. So ultimately it is 4 into twice n minus 1 by n minus 2 equal to 11. After cross multiplication and simplification, ultimately we got the value of n is 6. So I hope students you understood the process of finding n for this type of question. Next question is, there is a statement sum. In how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? The students, a team of 3 boys and 3 girls is to be selected from 5 boys and 5 girls. This is the question. So 3 boys can be selected from 5 boys will be 5C 3 ways, and 3 girls can be selected from 4 girls is 4C 3 ways. So by multiplication theorem we can write the number of ways in which 3 boys and 3 girls can be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls will be 5C3 into 4C3. 5C3 is nothing but factorial 5 by factorial 3 into factorial 5 minus 3, which is factorial 2, into factorial 4 by factorial 4 minus 3 into factorial 1. So after calculation of this factorial product, we'll get the answer is 40. So I hope student you understanding the concept of combination. The next question is, find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from 6 red balls, 5 white balls and 5 blue balls if each selection consists of 3 balls from each color. The student, question is, we have to find the number of ways in which 9 balls from 6 red balls. So total balls are 6 red balls, 5 white balls and 5 blue balls. So total balls are 5, 10, 16 balls, total number of balls, and out of which we have to select 9 balls, and condition is that each selection 3 balls of each color must be present. So students, first we will select the 3 balls from each color. So 3 balls can be selected from 6 red balls will be 6 C3 ways. 3 balls can be selected from 5 white balls will be 5 C3 ways. And 3 balls can be selected from 5 blue balls is 5 C3 ways. So by multiplication theorem, we can write 6 C3 into 5 C3 into 5 C3. The students, we need to select 9 balls. So we are already getting 9 balls, because if we select 3 balls from each color, so 3, 3, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 balls already we are selected from different colors, from 3 colors. So there will be nothing more selections apart from this. So the total selections will be multiplication of this selection, 6C3 into 5C3 into 5C3, and 6C3 is factorial 6 by factorial 3 into factorial 6 minus 3, which is 3, factorial 5 by factorial 3 into factorial 2, factorial 5 by factorial 3 into factorial 2, and after calculation of this factorial product, the ultimately answer will be 2000. So the answer of this question is number of ways 2000. So I hope student you understood this question. The next question is, in how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players in which only 5 players can bowl, and if each cricket team of 11 players include exactly 4 bowlers? The students, out of the 17 players in the team, 5 are the bowlers and rest 12 are the batsmen. So in the selection of 11 players, we have to select 5 bowlers out of this, 4 bowlers out of this 5 bowlers, and rest 7 batsmen from the 12 batsmen. The students, 4 bowlers can be selected from 5 bowlers will be 5C4 ways, and 7 batsmen from the 12 batsmen, 7 batsmen can be selected from 12 batsmen in the ways 12C7 ways. So by multiplication principle, we can write the total number of ways of selection of 11 players will be 5C4 into 12C7. So factorial 5 by factorial 4 into factorial 1 into factorial 12 by factorial 7 into factorial 12 minus 7 is 5. So students, after cancellation of this factorial, they will get the answer 3964. So student, next question is, in how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses if 9 courses are available and 2 specific courses compulsory for every student? The students, question is clear. There are 9 courses all total, and out of the 9 courses, 5 courses is must for selection, and out of this 5 courses, 2 courses is compulsory for every student. The students, if 2 courses are compulsory, then student can select 3 courses. Total of 5 courses, 2 courses is compulsory. So they are having choice for 3 courses, that out of 7 courses, because 2 also will be subtract from the total of 9 courses. So the selection will be 3 courses from 7 courses. So it will be 3 courses out of the remaining 7 courses. The number of ways will be 7C3 ways. So calculating the value of 7C3, factorial 7 by factorial 3 into factorial 7 minus 4, which is factorial 4. So expanding factorial 7, 7 into 6 into 5 into factorial 4 divided by 3 into 2 into factorial 4 get cancelled, and after cancellation of this we will get it, the value of it 35. So students, I hope all of you understood my today's video lectures. Here I have explained the concept of combination and have done a few questions related to this concept. If you have any queries, any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you very much.